Tired of scrubbing dishes? Let's see how dishwashers do the dirty work for you. Inside your dishwasher, water jets blast away grime with precision. It starts by heating water to around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which is then mixed with detergent. This soapy solution is pumped through spray arms that rotate, hitting every angle of your dishes. The next step, the machine drains the dirty water and rinses the dishes with fresh, hot water to remove any leftover suds. Finally, the heating element kicks in to dry everything off, leaving your dishes sparkling clean. Bonus fact: most dishwashers have soil sensors that adjust the cycle based on how dirty your dishes are. How cool is that? So, next time you load your dishwasher, remember it's not just a box, it's a finely tuned machine working hard for you. Hit like and subscribe for more quick engineering insights.